everybody, welcome back to my channel. Merry Christmas. So guys, I got this gift for Christmas. I've always wanted another DSL camera because I used to have an old one, the Nikon 34D, but I sold it. I always wanted the Canon. So of course my husband surprised me, yeah, for Christmas. So I already opened it, but I'm going to just go straight and unbox and tell you why I went with this over the M50, because I did a lot of researching on YouTube. Like, I watched a lot of videos, and the M50 is like more for those that are going to be vlogging, daily vlogs, and I don't do daily vlogs. I just do, dress reviews and once in a while like sit down videos, but mostly kind of behind the scenes of how I create a dress. So, and the reason why I wanted to go with this T7 was because of the picture quality of because I want to be taking pictures of my product for my website and of course my social media, and of course the fact that it has this inbuilt Wi-Fi that I could take a video or take pictures and then send to my phone instantly, and I could edit and post was like a game changer for me, but I mean, you have to research and decide on what you want. So this is the box. This is how it looks like. Yes, I already took everything from the box. Yeah, and it comes, this is the camera, this is the camera box, this is where the camera is. Of course it has everything, the registration, only US. I mean, you have to register it online, and this is the one of the lenses. It comes with two lenses. This is the 75 to 300 millimeter f4.5 to 6. And of course, let me show you what else. This is the camera bag. I hope I'm not going too fast. I just don't want the video to be long and boring, yeah? So this is the camera bag. It came with the camera bag, so I didn't have to buy any other camera bag. Yes! So this is the camera. This is of course the body. This is how it looks. Guys, the T7i, you can actually open up the viewfinder. But this one, I really don't need it because I can actually connect it to my phone while I'm recording, or my laptop, and I can still see myself, yeah? So of course it came with a strap. Guys, I am super excited. Of course, this is the charger port. The charger is all inside, and of course I have a USB, what's it called? I got the 64 gigabyte storage with the camera. So this is the camera, the first one, the 75 to 300 mm. This is how it looks. Of course, it's covered. I cannot wait to use it. And of course, this is second lens. This one is the 18 to 55 millimeter lens for taking pictures. And I remember I watched Think Media, and then he was talking about how we can have like good quality videos using the same camera with the 24 mm lens, which I got off from Canon. I went on www.canon, the website, and I ordered it. It should be here soon. So he was like, if you want to do like sit down videos or vlog, the lens was perfect for this Ti7, because he was actually using it to shoot his video, and he used the lens. And guys, I mean, it's not really expensive. You can get it for less, for 100 and something, but I got mine for less than that, and I cannot wait for it to come. So that's when I want to do like sit down videos or like dress reviews that I could record with that lens to give me a really, really nice video, like for it to be clean and crisp, and guys, I'm just excited. Like, I've always wanted this, and of course I got surprised, and I just couldn't wait. I mean, I tried taking out some few pictures with this camera, and guys, it was clear. Like, and I used it on just auto. I didn't even use it on the P mode or manual. I just took it, and I was really, really impressed. So I don't want to make any decisions for you. Hopefully my next video, when my lenses come in, I'm going to record with this camera, and you guys will see the difference. I'm using my iPhone now to record. I've always been using my iPhone to record anyways, but I'm just so excited about taking pictures of not just my product, but of course my family and my kids, and just get into a little bit of photography. You know what I mean? Yeah, so that's all about it. That's all that's in the box and everything. And of course, I already told you why I went with this one over the M50. I mean, it's really sturdy. I mean, it's lightweight. I just kind of like it. It's, I don't know. I've always wanted a Canon. I know people say, well, it doesn't have to do with the camera. It's just how you use it. Well, for me, I wanted a Canon and I got it. And I'm grateful that I did have it. So I'm just excited, guys. So, I mean, go on YouTube, research, watch videos, and then you can make your decision. But if you're into like vlogging, I can assure you that the M50 is perfect. Oh my goodness, the camera quality, the video quality, perfect. Pictures, awesome. Yeah. But because I'm not like an everyday vlogger, you know, unless I intend to do it sometime in the future, which I'm not sure, then of course, who knows, I might get the M50 as well. But for now, I'm satisfied with my Christmas gift. I hope you guys had an amazing Christmas gift, and you got what you wanted. And even if you didn't, guys, it's fine. I mean, you have life, you're healthy, and you have your family, and that's all that matters. Yeah. 2023 is going to be amazing. Just be hopeful, expectant, optimistic, and like I always say, what God cannot do does not exist. See you guys in my next video. Bye.